Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about one of the self-care procedures that we need to worry about on the Samung AI all-in-one washer and dryer combo kit. So if you have not liked this video, subscribe to my channel, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that bell for more notifications for videos. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go to the settings tab, and then we're going to go to the washer tab right up here, and we're going to scroll up or down. You're going to hit the pump clean option, and basically what this does is you're supposed to clean these dispensers out basically every time that you add more fluid or liquid, whatever. Whenever it's empty, what you have to do is you take these dispensers out, pop the lid open. There's maybe a little bit of detergent in there. Try to clean it out as best as possible, and then you're going to fill it to the max line, run it through, put it back in. Do the same thing with your flex dispenser, your secondary one. Okay, gonna put it in there. You're gonna fill it up once it's empty, or I guess you could dump it back into another container and then refill it back up if you needed to. But if you're changing liquids, like you're changing from your flex one from like a fabric softener to a secondary different laundry detergent, then you would go through this process and you would hit the pump clean option. So let's do that now. I still have some in there. I'm going to take 2 containers because I'm just going to fill it right back up. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. I'm going to take this one and laundry detergent. Just going to empty it. Next, I have a fabric softener. We're going to take. Filled it up to the max line, and I grabbed the wrong thing there. Filled this one up to the max line, put it in there. Now, I'm gonna go fill this one back up. Okay, this one took a little bit more time, and it's not gonna hurt if there's still some suds in there, because we're just cleaning the pump, okay? We're gonna put that one in there. Close it back up. Start cleaning. Says it takes 19 minutes. Well, I'll see you guys in about 20 minutes. That's it, guys. The pump cleaning process is finished. So whenever you're done, now you can go ahead and take these dispensers out. It should be relatively clean. There's some water left in them. Pour that water out. Go ahead and refill these with whatever detergent you want in this one. And then on the right side, you can fill it up with fabric softener or a different laundry detergent too. So anyway, guys, if this video has helped you, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below if you really enjoyed this video. Or if you didn't. Thank you. Hope you all have a great day and God bless.